GitHub's primary function is to transfer and share code among teams and help people collaborate. As a data scientist, I've used GitHub on just about every project I've ever worked on, no matter what job or which project. If you're a data scientist, you're likely going to use GitHub a lot. In this lesson, you will learn how GitHub works with Git version control to distribute and store code among teams. GitHub works by creating a central repository where multiple people can work on and share code. The repository in GitHub will contain an up-to-date version of your project that you can push code up to and pull code down from. When you change code on your local machine, you can push it up to the repository on GitHub where the rest of your team can see your changes. Likewise, when someone from your team edits code, you can pull down their changes from your GitHub repository back to the source code on your local machine. GitHub uses Git version control to copy source files from your machine to the specified location, which in this case will be the GitHub servers. Once you've initially committed your project, every commit afterward will only copy the changed files back to the GitHub servers. Once there is a repository with a project created on GitHub, you can create different branches which contain different versions of the code. That way, multiple iterations are stored in the central GitHub repository at once. In essence, GitHub builds upon Git version control to act as a central location for code to be edited and shared among many different contributors. You should be using version control along with GitHub for every coding project you encounter. That way, if anything ever happens to the code on your local machine, you always have a version to pull down from the GitHub servers and your code won't be lost.